Hello, I'm Alan Hoxie with Woodland Direct. Today, we're going to review the Modern Flames Redstone Built-In Electric Fireplace. This fireplace comes in 26, 30, 36, 42, and 54-inch models to fit a variety of spaces. Now today, we'll be looking at the 42-inch size. With each Redstone Built-In Electric Fireplace, you'll receive a hand-painted driftwood log set, acrylic media, a trim kit, a remote control, and an installation manual. The Redstone features a traditional flush mount design, an enlarged vertical opening for an incredible view of the fire from anywhere in the room. It can easily slide into an existing zero clearance wood burning fireplace to safely upgrade to electric. It can also be recessed into a wall with a 10-inch depth and is safe to install underneath your TV. The Redstone Built-In Electric Fireplace is equipped with hybrid FX flame technology to create random, lifelike flames that replicate a real wood fire. It features high-intensity RGB accent lighting, 10 unique flame colors, and an active ember bed lighting. The flames and ember bed lighting can be controlled independently, allowing you to customize the look to any occasion. The Redstone runs on 120 volts of electricity and can be plugged directly into a standard outlet. Its 5,000 BTU heater efficiently warms up to 500 square feet of space and can be adjusted up or down for maximum comfort. You can also use the Redstone with the heater turned off for incredible year-round ambiance. The included remote allows you to adjust the heat output, the flame size, and the lighting separately so that you can create a look and a feel that matches your mood. A built-in touchscreen thermostat also allows you to set your perfect room temperature manually. Since the Redstone doesn't produce any toxic fumes or any emissions, you can safely install it in any area of your house, even in compact spaces like your bedroom, your bathroom, or in the office. It's the perfect option for any customer who wants the look and the feel of a real wood fire without the mess and the maintenance that comes with it. Plus, the Redstone doesn't require any venting or any gas lines, making the installation process a breeze. And here at Woodland, we love the Redstone Built-In Electric Fireplace's sleek, seamless design and the bright, color-changing flames. We also love that it's an incredibly easy fireplace to install and can be used year-round with or without the heat. And there you have it, a complete rundown of the Modern Flames Redstone Built-In Electric Fireplace. If you have any questions about this fireplace or any of our other fireplaces, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.